Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is again reached the resistance of $44,000 resistance level. Sometimes it's moving above $44,000 and sometimes moving below than this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze are we going to move more up from here or we will move down from here. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line broke out the resistance of this down channel after very long term. We entered the channel here at the end of October 2021 and broke out here at the first week of Feb 2022. After breaking out, we have found a resistance here at $44,000. We were rejected, moved down again, and again we are trying to break out this resistance. If we take a look at the volume is not as that much powerful that we need to confirm this breakout. However, we need a follow through for the buying volume that can help the price line to move more up from here. Now let's take a look at the previous breakout that we had here back in July 2021, and this was the previous falling wedge pattern, by the way, on the daily time frame that the price line broke out in those days. And you can see, if I show you the volume oscillator that shows the power of buying or sell volume, here I've placed the volume oscillator, then you can see we had the buying volume. You can, by the way, watch the values here. The value of buying volume was 18.80. Then again it triggered and we had a value of more than 24.86. Now let's take a look at the current breakout. Even though we have broken out a very big down channel, but look at the buying volume here. Well, we were breaking out this resistance of the channel. The value was 3.21. That was not very much powerful buying volume. However, we can observe that when the price line reached here at the support, the value of oscillator was very high. But that was in fact representing the sell volume oscillator. You can see we were having continuously a sell off and the volume oscillator was very high with the value of 26.88. And therefore it was moving down. And when we were having this buying, then you can see it was continuously moving to the downside. It was not moving up. Now here, when we were having a breakout, then it triggered with the value of 3.21. That was not a powerful buying volume. Now, if you remember a few days back when we were having this rejection and moving here on 12th of Feb, I told you that there is a potential head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder possibility that the price line may form a inverse head and shoulder pattern here. And you can see that right now the price line is completing the right shoulder. This was the left shoulder and this was the head. Here we have the right shoulder, and this is the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, exactly where we have the resistance of $44,000. Now, for example, if the price line is going to break out this head and shoulder pattern, then our next potential move will be approximately here at approximately $58,000. But if we will be rejected once again, like we were rejected here, then we can again test this support. This shoulder will be this time the support, and if I place the trend line here where we have this shoulder, then it is approximately at $41,500, and here we can find the next support. So next few hours are really very important. We are forming the head and shoulder pattern. We have completed the head and shoulder pattern, reached the resistance of the $44,000 and also this neckline as well. Now there is a possibility that we will have a powerful buying volume here and the price line can start an imminent move up to $58,000, or maybe within few days it will hit the target, or it will be rejected and reach the support where we have the shoulder, the right shoulder support as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.